you're a professional mechanic, workshop owner, or serious car enthusiast looking for a powerful diagnostic tablet, this video is for you. Today, we're taking a close look at the FOXWELL GT60, a high-performance automotive diagnostic tool built for speed, accuracy, and complete vehicle coverage. The FOXWELL GT60 is a professional-grade Android diagnostic tablet designed to handle full system diagnostics, advanced service functions, and ECU coding for a wide range of vehicles. With a large touchscreen and fast processing power, it's built for busy workshops that demand reliability. Regular full system diagnostics help identify issues early, reducing the risk of major damage and significantly lowering maintenance costs. This proactive approach not only minimizes repair expenses, but also helps extend the overall service life of the vehicle, compatible with both OBD and OBDII vehicles, including cars, SUVs, minivans, and light-duty trucks sold worldwide. This car diagnostic scanner sends commands to the vehicle's control systems, prompting the vehicle to perform specific actions. It verifies whether components are operating correctly and helps identify and resolve faults. Supported tests include windows, doors, solenoids, valves, wipers, headlamps, and more. 20+ maintenance functions like AFR adaptation, EVAP, smog test, clutch adaptation, language change, ABS, BRT, CVT service, replace airbag ECU module, headlamp. AF adjustment is a process that recalibrates the air-fuel mixture before it enters the engine's combustion chamber to ensure optimal combustion. Similarly, in a boiler system, the fuel supply is adjusted to regulate steam production and maintain proper energy balance during the combustion process. Vehicle odometer adjustments are sometimes required for legitimate purposes, such as replacing a faulty dashboard, correcting inaccurate readings, recalibrating after major vehicle modifications, or meeting legal compliance requirements. The FOXWELL GT60 delivers powerful diagnostics, advanced service functions, and reliable performance in one professional tablet. It's a smart investment for anyone serious about automotive diagnostics. Thanks for watching.